Hello Team 3, it's Mrs Nicholson here with your day's maths lesson. We are doing one more day of multiplying two-digit numbers just so that we can get that extra practice in, because some of the feedback from the children in school and from home is that it's been a little tricky. So could you pause the video and copy out today's date, the title and Wilf in the front of your blue maths books. Pause the video to do that and come back when you are ready. Welcome back. So it's really important that we keep practicing our times tables whilst we're at home, because times tables are really going to help us with our multiplication methods. So for our total recall today, I've chosen some multiplication facts from the 3 times table and the 4 times table for you to have a go at. Try really hard to do these without aids. But if you can do it in your head, that's great. But if you can't and you've got a multiplication chart at home, this will help. So pause your video and have a go at doing these 6 multiplication number sentences now in your book underneath the date and the title. Okay, welcome back. Let's go through our answers to our total recall together. So 4 times 3 or 3 times 4 is 12. 7 times 3 or 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 3 or 3 times 5 is 15. Well done if you got those correct. Let's move on to the next 3. 5 times 4 is 20. You could also say 4 times 5. 8 times 4 or 4 times 8 equals 32. 3 times 4 or 4 times 3 is 12. Great total recall, everyone. Let's move on. So for bronze today, we're going to be doing our short multiplication method, but with no exchanging at all. Okay, so let's start. 23 times 2. I've got my tens and my ones. I make sure that I lay out my number in the correct column. 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. I'm multiplying by 2, which is 2 ones. Let's start with the ones column. 2 times 3 is 6. Now let's go to the tens. 2 times 2 is 4. The answer to 23 times 2 is 46. Let's have a go at another one. 21 multiplied by 3. So I've got my tens column and my ones column. 21 is 2 tens and 1 1. And I'm multiplying by 3, which belongs in the ones column. Let's start with the ones. 3 times 1 is 3. Now let's multiply by the tens. 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, 21 times 3 is 63. Excellent work. Let's have a look at what silver will look like today. Silver, we're exchanging with some team numbers. The first one I've got here is 24 times by 3. So again, I've got my tens and my ones. 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones. And I'm multiplying by 3. The 3 belongs in the ones column. Let's start with the ones. 3 times 4 is 12. Now 12 is made up of a 2 and 1 10. So that 1 10 needs to go at the bottom in the tens column. Now let's multiply by the tens. 3 times by 2 is 6, but don't forget to add the 1 at the bottom, which makes 7. And because I've added it, I'm now going to cross it off. 24 times 3 is 72. Let's have a go with another silver example. I've got 33 times by 4. Set out my tens and my ones. 33 is made up of 3 tens and 3 ones. I'm multiplying by 4, which belongs in the ones column. Let's start with the ones. 4 times 3 is 12. That's 2 ones, and the 10 goes at the bottom in the tens column. Now let's multiply by the tens. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. But let's not forget to add the 1 at the bottom, which makes 13. The 3 will go in the tens column, and the 1 now goes in our hundreds column. 33 multiplied by 4 is 132. you want to extend yourself a bit further, let's have a look at the gold. Gold will be exchanging with numbers that are bigger than 19 or 20. Let's have a go at one more. 27 multiplied by 3. So again, I've still got my 10s and my 1s. 27 is made up of 2 10s and 7 1s. I'm multiplying by 3, which belongs in the 1s column. Let's multiply by the 1s first. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Now this time, 21 is made up of 2 10s and 1 1. The 2 10s belongs in the 10s column. Now we'll go over and multiply by the 10s. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Don't forget to add 2 more. 6 add 2 is 8. Our answer is 81. Let's practice with one more before you make your choice today. My next calculation is 36 times by 4. So I'm going to lay out my 10s and my 1s. 36 is made up of 3 10s, 6 1s. I'm multiplying by 4, which belongs in the 4, belongs in the 1s column. Let's start with the 1s. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 24 is 2 10s, 4 1s. Now let's multiply the 10s. 4 times 3 is 12. Don't forget to add the 2. 12 add 2 is 14. Now it's your choice whether you're going to do bronze, no exchanging today, silver, exchanging with team numbers, or gold, exchanging with numbers that are bigger than 20. If you'd like a challenge, on the next page, we have some word problems that can only be solved by doing some multiplication calculations. Pause the video on whether you'd like to do bronze, silver, or gold, or whether you'd like to do challenge. Do all your workings out in your books, and remember to come back to the video when you want to see the answers. Welcome back. Here are the answers. You can mark your own work with a purple pen. Pause the video here to mark your work. And if you needed the answers to the challenge, here they are. Pause the video here. Excellent. You've all been maths megastars today. I hope you are now feeling more confident with your multiplication methods. Keep practicing those times tables by getting yourself on Times Table Rockstars. 2 or 3 minutes every night will be sure to improve your times table knowledge. Well done, Year 3. Take care and see you soon. Bye.